Hi guys! Today we are going to make corned beef. It's in season because of St. Patrick's. And we are going to make some kind of soup. More likely resembles Nilaga. And we're going to put a lot of vegetables like potatoes, sweet potatoes, cabbage of course, and so much more. Alright, I'm not wearing green, but I'm wearing green earrings. So I will not get pinched. Okay, let's get started. Nilaga is a traditional and classic dish in the Philippines. This is another comfort food, and with my cooking style, we are going to blend two different cultures. My husband thinks that this dish almost tastes like chicken vegetable soup, but the meat has smoky flavor. Since this is a healthier version, we are trimming off the fat. Follow the instructions from the packaging. Do not rinse with water. Trim off the fat from the beef brisket as much as you can. Evenly rub contents of spice packet onto corned beef. Just like this. Add about 10 cups of water and add salt if needed. For this one, I added 1/2 tablespoon of kosher salt. Bring water to a boil. After water starts to boil, reduce heat to low and cover and simmer. Cook until fork tender. This brisket took about 2.5 hours to cook. To skim off extra fat easily from the broth, let the pot cool in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. We love a clear broth and it's well worth the effort. Slice the meat just like this, then set aside or put in the refrigerator. I can't help but taste it, and it melts in your mouth. So yummy. In a large pot on medium heat, pour in the corned beef broth. And add the onion. Cover. Why do potatoes always stick to the knife like this? I have a solution for you. Let's use this other knife and the potatoes will not stick. See? It's magic. Now let's add the potatoes. Cover. Now let's work on the corn. For so many years, I have always asked my husband to cut the corn for me. But today he's at work, so I will do my best. Let's see. Oh! I did it! Okay, more! Okay. Sweet potato, my favorite. This purple yam is optional. You do not need to add this if you're not into this yam. This celery is from our garden, that's why it's so thin. give this dish a beautiful, wonderful flavor as well. Even if I already washed the cabbage, I always discard the outer layer. Okay, now it's boiling. Add the carrots and sweet potatoes. Then taste it. Now add the chicken base and the celery. Put the lid on, and after 2 minutes, add the peppercorn and cayenne pepper. Then mix well to combine. Put the lid back on, and after 2 minutes, taste the broth and see if you need to add more salt. I'm taking out the purple yam as the broth is turning a little purple. Bring it to a boil and add the cabbage and then the green onion. Once you're happy with the taste of the broth, add the sliced corned beef brisket and parsley for garnish. We are done. We just made a beautiful corned beef soup. Enjoy! Okay, now the best part of the day, of course, is the taste test. All right, let's do it. Wow, look at that. Gorgeous. And I have rice here, of course. Let's do it. Get some. Wow. Cabbage, sweet potatoes. I separated the purple sweet potatoes, ube, because the broth is turning, it's a little bit purple. So if you're not into purple yam, don't include when you make this dish. You can just add, regular potatoes or regular sweet potatoes. Yeah, but I love ube, that's why. And I have corn. And also potatoes. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, more broth. Very nice. Some green onions. Beautiful. All right. Let's do it. Still hot. Delicious. Okay, let me get some corned beef here with cabbage and potatoes all together. All right. Still very hot. Amazing. Amazing. This is such a comfort food. And here's the corn that we worked hard for. We can add this as part of our healthy series, right? Let me know in the comments. What do you think? So, I'm gonna finish this. And you guys, take care. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Enjoy your week. Hug your loved ones. Big hug for you. And I'll see you on the next video. Oh, by the way, if you want to check out another video, check this out. You might be interested or it might be helpful for you. Alright, I'll see you soon. Take care and God bless. Bye!